Hi, my name is Swapnil Tripathi. I'm a professor of physics. I chose Magnimind Academy. I wanted to learn about this new upcoming field of data science, which is exploding in the job market as well as in research in everywhere. There's a lot of intersection between physics and data science, so it interested me. Then I was looking for different programs, and several programs had sort of sample lectures or webinars, and I went to them and checked them out. But the free webinars provided by Magnimind really impressed me, the quality of the instructors, the amount of knowledge that was provided in a short time. That is what I was looking for. I was looking for a boot camp where I could learn a lot of material in a short amount of time. And the way Magnimind instructors taught good, relevant, precise information in a short amount of time, that really impressed me. Out of all the programs that I sampled or considered, Magnimind Academy was the best, and after doing the course, I'm even more impressed. And it is just very good quality program with very dedicated instructors, and also, if I may say, very good bang for the buck. Magnimind is made up of instructors and professors who have very wide connections in the data science field and are very well known. And getting a certificate of course completion with Magnimind Academy, which is very well recognized, would be a very big boost to your career. Even more than that, it's the learning and the confidence that you will get, which will really impact your career and let you break into a new field or progress in if you're already in data science. I feel the course is very well designed and gives you a lot of information. Not only is the course sufficient to let you enter into the field, but the amount of information taught is so much that it allows you to excel in the field of data science. It goes beyond that, beyond just the entry points. So it's going to be very valuable to you. The benefits of joining the social network of Magnimind are being able to exchange information and ideas with other students and other professionals trying to enter into the data science or trying to learn more about it. The interaction between the members is very helpful. A variety of students from different backgrounds and with different qualifications, that is very good for building a network. I'm a professor, and so I understand what is good teaching and what is not, and I can certainly say that the instructors in Magnimind Academy, they are actual university professors, and they know how to teach, and they teach very well. I was especially impressed by their patience, kindness. In my classes, I always encourage students to ask a lot of questions. That is very important for learning. And when I am a student in a class, I ask questions too. And it was my experience that the instructors were very patient, kind, respectful, and helpful in answering and clarifying all the questions that came up. That is a very big point. Plus the value that you're getting for the fees, it's a very good bang for the buck. The instructors are actually currently working on real life projects, so you get to hear and see examples of real life projects.